Hi, this is Ken Lau. Now, this video will share with you that is initially there's one issue that we have. It will be that when we click on this button here, let's say just put a number. Yeah, let's say it comes to this. Okay, so I just click on it. Well, the job is done. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 now. Okay, so 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the one. Let's double click here and open the file. Let's say this is what vendors are getting. But notice that there is a worksheet that's named as sheet 1 is always there. So the vendor need to, a vendor or maybe the buyers will need to delete it one by one. So, so how do you remove it? Well, what you do is that you added one line. So what's the line? What's the line to delete the worksheet? Well, you can refer to my these handy tools which I created for my students, and it is called, well, if you don't know what it said, so something to do with worksheet, right? You will delete. So you just look at that. It's only 3 pages. I'm still adding something more, which I think is more important, useful for my student. So worksheet, yes, that's it, worksheet. So let's just look at it. If you want to export it's here, if you copy it's here, it's insert here, clear it's here, clear it's here. Oh, delete, that's it. This is the one. So the one is the index of that worksheet. So, but you know that's the name is called, it's a worksheet 1. So I'm going to use this thing here. So this is exactly what I want. Now if you want to show all the worksheet, you have this also. Yeah, so let's just go here, let's come over here and then see that okay, well, I want to delete the worksheet. So, and the worksheets is actually appear in the new workbook that we just added. So to delete it, you need to tell Excel macro that which workbook and which worksheet you want to delete. So exactly. So I just uncomment this code. Now let's just watch this one more time. Yeah. So let me just add one more line here. One more code. And I click on this again. Now notice that it's now going to delete the worksheets. Okay, deleting the worksheets, and then you need to click this delete worksheet, delete buttons, and then it will delete. So let's just look at this file, 4, 5, 6 something, and it's here. Let's open this file here. Yeah. So and you can see that the sheet 1 is no longer there. Yeah. So but you might be asking me that, well, notice that when I click on that days, it asks me, do you want to delete? So that is a troublesome. You know that you surely want to delete it. So how do you do that? So how do we make it more efficient? Okay, efficient is that, let's look at the efficient sections. There's only one title here, efficiency. It's called delete without the alert message. So that is exactly the code you want to use it. So you just copy this here, come over here and paste it right there, and that's the application files. And then over here, after you finish this, you make sure that you just copy it and put it back here, because you want other things to display the alert, but only when you delete the time you don't want it to happen. So you added this code and this code. Let's look at what happened then. So I just put a one more number here. Okay, so let's clear this here. Look at that. It won't be happens that display alert anymore. Now this message box, if you do want it, you can always command it also. Then you won't get that either. So I just put that 2 and I just click on this thing. It's done. You see that? It's done. And that is how you delete that worksheet. You added this 3 line. Okay, so to add this 3 line, it takes years, at least over 10 years of experience, okay, to know where to put this. Thank you for watching this, and hope that this will help you to solve your problem faster. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for giving me the ability to share.